the job application tracker, a Notion template. Here, this is your entire dashboard for your job search system. So here on the top, you can enter your name, you can enter your target role. Below that, on the top, there is a stats bar is there, where you can see how many applications you already applied, your active applications, your interviews, offers, response rate, and these all numbers are automatically getting calculated as you go. Below that, there is a pipeline view, and here all the job applications are categorized by the status. So wish list, applied, phone screen, interview, offer, rejected, and withdrawn. So, and you can move around your application from one status to another status just by dragging it over like this. Now it also displays company name, its priority, whether it's high, medium, low, excitement rating, how you feel about that application, then days since applied. So it's all in one view. Now, when you're ready to launch a new application, you can come over here on the left, quick action menu. Here you click on the new application button and you can enter a new application. Let's say it's for graphics designer role. Then you can enter a company, let's say Canva. Then you can enter contact email, contact name. I'll skip it, they are not mandatory, but you can see like some of the fields are automatically filled up. Like for date applied is today's date. Actually, you can move back just for the demo purpose. I'm moving to 25th February. So you can see that days since applied, so it's already 7 days. Then follow-up due date is today. Priority is set to medium. Status is set to applied. You can enter a location, whether it's remote, hybrid, on-site. I'll just add remote for now. So I'll close that. Now if you scroll down the main dashboard, there is a this week view. So you can see all the applications applied in last 7 days. So it's like a quick view. Similar way, there is a needs follow-up view. So this view is if the application has passed more than 7 days and you haven't got any response, then you can quickly check those applications. You can see by the days how many days it passed, when was the follow-up due date, and then you have contact name and contact email right there, so you can just send them an email. Once you get the interview information, you can come over here and click on the prep for interview button. Let's say we can add entry for the same role. So graphics designer. So as you can see, it's automatically linking back to application. We can just select the same role from graphic designer here. Then you can take whether the follow-up has sent or not. How was the interview? Great. Then when was the interview date? So let's say it was today. Interview type, it was supposed to be phone screening, so I'm reading phone screening. Then there are other discussion detail like, and what is the next step, what answers the interviewer answered to me, so I can reference back to it. for the next interview, so which is quite helpful. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. Then at the bottom there is this final view. So this is quite exciting. When if you get like multiple offers, you can compare side by side and see and compare their whatever salary they are offering, which location they are comfortable with, whether it's hybrid or remote, and how do you feel about that role. So you can compare and make a solid decision about it. And there is a little checklist is there, so that's a kind of weekly review. So on the weekend, when you have a 15 minutes, you can go through this checklist. You can check whether you need to follow up with anyone. You can lodge new applications, whether it's past or maybe it's in the upcoming week, and then you can categorize the application. If you got any offer or you ended up getting job, you can celebrate those wins and lodge it here, and you can see the whole journey afterwards. And there is a little guide for the whole template, so you can copy this template and start entering the application. All the best with your job hunting.